Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy. This is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Today what we're going to do is we're going to make some Fireball whiskey. I know, a lot of people don't like it, but I really do enjoy it. So we're going to make some good homemade Fireball whiskey. So first things first, there is 5 things you can really do to help us out. Number 1, make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Number 2, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up. Number 4, share us with your friends. And of course, number 5, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, you're going to find out it's very simple to make Fireball. First things what we need is we need some simple sugar, and it is extremely easy to make. So I'm going to use about a half a cup of water, and we'll start to heat that up, which that won't take very long. And then I got a half a cup of just regular white sugar. And what we'll need to do is start adding that into the water and get it to dissolve. It won't really take very long, and you don't have to have it boiling. And you'll be able to tell when it's all dissolved because it's kind of like white now. She will clear up as soon as it starts to heat up and dissolve all that sugar. She's starting to clear right now. Okay, so now we have our simple sugar. And then we'll come back. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we want about a half a cup of the simple sugar we made. And then you can adjust that on the sweetness that you like. Okay. The next thing we're going to add is some cinnamon sticks. And of course I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cinnamon sticks. So we'll add them to the bottle. This is so easy. And then, just so we have a little bit of heat, we're going to add a half of a teaspoon of flaked red peppers to give her a little heat. Alright, we'll put that in there. And then add some whiskey. Or in my case, I like bourbon, so I'm going to put bourbon. This is the bourbon that we made. It's all grain bourbon. We'll fill the bottle up. See how easy that was? Okay, welcome back to Stillworks and Brewing. It's been about 7 days. We're going to finish up our Fireball whiskey. This is the best part. I mean, she is looking fantastic. A little bit darker than what it was. Alright, so what we'll do is we're going to filter it through a couple coffee filters, and then we'll give it a shot. Okay? So we take our, we'll follow, that's 2 coffee filters kind of doubled up. Ah, smells fantastic. So we're just going to filter all the stuff out. And them 2 coffee filters will and when I'm done, I might just throw one of the cinnamon sticks in there. That's just for looks. But first, let's get this filtered out. I'm looking forward to trying this Fireball. I tell you, the 2 coffee filters, that usually clears up, you know, strains out any particulates you got in your whatever you're making. I can smell the cinnamon. Alright, let me get finish straining this out, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we got that done straining. Now the best part, we get to taste it. Okay, but just for a quick recap, what we did was we took a half a cup of simple syrup, and I had 6 cinnamon sticks and a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We let it sit there and infuse for about a week. We strained it all out through 2 coffee filters. Now we get to try it. I mean, the color looks fantastic. I sure can smell the cinnamon. Ooh, that's good. I mean, I taste a little bit of sweetness, and on the backside I can really feel the heat. I can really smell the cinnamon. I think what I'm going to do is just put 1 cinnamon stick in there and leave it in there. More for a visual thing than anything else, I think. But a little bit more extra cinnamon might not hurt it. But I sure can smell it and I can taste it. Ice cold, that'd be delicious. Okay. That's our Fireball whiskey. I think it's going to be a success. Thanks for coming to visit us. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the adventure, and we'll see you next time.